Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel's surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to avoid accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Place the bottom, top, left, and right panels next to each other with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Using your screwdriver or drill, screw the cam lock bolts into the holes with the white plastic insert. Be sure to keep the bolts in a vertical position. Use your rubber mallet to tap the dowels into place. Locate the 3 back panels of your cabinet box. Align the holes on your back panels with the dowels and cam lock bolts installed on the bottom panel of your cabinet box. Gently tap the back panels into place with your rubber mallet. Attach the top panel of your cabinet box by aligning the cam lock bolts and dowels with the holes found on the back panels of your cabinet box. Gently tap the connection points with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Insert the provided screws into the pre-drilled holes at the back of the cabinet box and use your drill to fasten them. If you're assembling a regular Easy Reach cabinet without a Lazy Susan insert, place your adjustable shelf on top of the bottom panel of your cabinet box. The shelf will be fully installed in a later step. Locate your left and right side panels. Align the cam lock bolts and dowels previously installed on your left and right side panels with the pre-drilled holes found on the bottom and back panels of your cabinet box. Gently tap the connection points with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Install the feet on the underside of the cabinet box by screwing the ABS legs into the bottom panel where the black self-tighten inserts are located. Use the provided screws to further secure them into place. If you're assembling a regular Easy Reach cabinet, place the shelf supports into the desired holes within your cabinet box. Lift the shelf and place it on top of the support pegs. If you're installing a Lazy Susan insert, we recommend installing it before moving on to your cabinet door assembly. Please refer to the instructions for your specific Lazy Susan model, as they may vary. Place the cabinet door panels on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of the cabinet door panels and use your drill to fasten them using the screws provided. Align the door with the pre-drilled holes inside the cabinet box and use your drill to attach the hinges using the provided screws. Congratulations on completing your cabinet box assembly.